How to find your muted account on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find your muted account on Instagram. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Instagram and click on profile. Now this is my profile. I'm gonna click on those three lines up there and click on setting. Now I'm gonna scroll down. Now click on privacy and scroll down and click on the second before the last muted accounts. And here they're gonna show you a list of all your muted account, of all the accounts you did muted before. So it's so easy. This is all you need to do is follow those steps I did give you, and this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and help us with like.